remember exactly when. But they've been steadily building in the background. It's one of those projects I really believed in when I first heard about it from their founder, Sean. And you can find out more information about them in the older video if you just do a search on the channel with CloudCoin. And their actual website, if you want to go there, is CloudCoin Consortium. It's CONCORTIUM. And you guys can read about it. It's just a brief webpage about what they do and how they're different from other coins. But the major announcement I wanted to share with you guys today was on their Twitter, actually. You can see right here, CloudCoin Consortium, and they got finally listed on their first exchange. Actually, their second exchange, but their first major exchange. It's Bitcoin.com, and you could go there, and I'll show you that in a second. It's brand new, so there's not a lot of trading yet. I don't think a lot of people even know about it yet, so I wanted to share that with you guys in case you're interested in it. There's a little bit of a process to change your original CloudCoin tokens over into CloudCoin, their Ethereum-based tokens, and I'm going to do a video on that, kind of a step-by-step process so you guys can figure out how to do that, because it is a little complicated. It's not as easy as just sending your coins to this exchange to sell them, because CloudCoin ran on their own network, so they have to have the coins traded over into Ethereum to be tradable on the exchange. Not a huge deal, but it is a little tedious. I'll do that video for you guys shortly. If you guys need one-on-one questions, just put them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them as they come up. But this is what the exchange looks like, just like your typical exchange, but they go on here as CCE to ETH, and you can see that there's a little bit of trading, but it's brand new. There's only less than 0.1 ETH looking to buy, and there's only 34,000 CCE on here ready to sell. And there's a pretty big difference. The sellers aren't really looking to sell less than a penny and a half for Ethereum. But you can see there are some closed orders. Some people did. I missed it. There were just some closed orders there. It must have slipped to the next day on me. Hey guys, I just wanted to cut in here and show you that there was the actual trades. I don't know what was going on. It just wasn't updating on my screen. But you can see there is trades happening, kind of all over the place. All right around 1 cent. USD value in the ETH. So I just wanted to show you that to you, because I don't know why it wasn't showing up when I was doing the original video, but it is there now. So just wanted to add that in here in case anybody wanted to actually see the trades. Thanks. Share that with you guys in case you had cloud tokens from back originally when we talked about it. But CloudCoin is really good, doing really well, and I'm glad to see them coming on an exchange. So I wanted to make sure everybody knew about that. So if you guys have any questions, again, just leave it in the comments below. If you guys want to talk about anything or you want me to cover anything on the channel, feel free to let me know either in the comments below, or if you wanted to email me instead, that's fine. It's donkeat, DONKEAT @gmail.com. I'll try to answer any and all questions as they come in. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.